guys, namaste and welcome back to the vlog. So as I said, today I am in Gandikota. As you can see the view behind me. So this is where I camped yesterday night. You can camp here if you want. I got my own tent. If you want to hire a tent, he's charging 1000 rupees. If you just want place, he's charging 200 rupees. So I paid 200 and I had a tent over here yesterday night. As you can see, the view is very fascinating. The air is very refreshing, and I had a very good sleep yesterday night. And we had a small bonfire, and we had a great time. So the plan for today is first I'll explore the local of Gandikota. I'll see there are some temples and some other monuments over here. I'll explore that, and later we'll go to Belam Caves, which is like 30 kilometers from here. We'll go explore. If possible, we'll also camp even for tonight. So now it's time for you to enjoy the view. Bye.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Done with the fresh up, guys. So I have freshed up in Harita Resorts. Thanks for the campsite guy. He provided me a room to fresh up. So now everything is set. Now we'll go and explore the Gandikota. So this fort was built in 1123 by Kappa Raja and later was ruled and developed by Kamma kings for over 20 years, where you have got two main temples dedicated to Madhava and Ranganatha Swami, with beautiful architecture on them representing famous Hindu gods and sages at those times, including different kind of human emotions on them which date back to 16th century. Here the stones are very unique in color and structure, called as sandstones, give a different look to the fort comparatively to the other commonly seen granite stone structures. You have also got a mosque over here, which proves that they have a great understanding and equality for different religions in those times. The fort is formed between the Erramala ranges of hills, also known as Gandikota Hills, and the river Pennar that flows at its foot, situated in beautiful landscapes and wild forests. It is endowed with vast natural resources. It is also called as Great Canyon of India. Yes, that is where we did the camp yesterday night. See now how far are we?